Hey, what's up everyone? I just thought I would show this quick clip from the movie Evan Almighty where Steve Carell says, or Evan Baxter, the character Evan Baxter says, "We're going to need a bigger boat," in reference to the line how many people remember rather than "you're going to need a bigger boat." Here it is.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
One more time.
Stay here with the kids. We're gonna need a bigger boat.
So he obviously says, "We're going to we're your boat. We're, not your." Of course, obviously he would say "we're," but why would he have said that if the movie never said it?
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Just thought I'd show that. Much love and peace. Bye.